And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the default textures. There are some texture filters that we can apply, most of them with a one-click option. Just go to filters and textures. Some of them produce decent results for photos, other ones don't. Let me show you, for example, the rainbow filters. They are all unusable for photos. Let me just apply one and you can see it doesn't make sense to apply that, and you can't adjust it further. There are other ones who don't really look good, like the watercolor here. But I like the rough paper. It also creates a nice effect on the edges. The only one that you can adjust via menu is the ink blot. Let me check the live preview here. Most important is the displacement. Give it a fractal noise. And you can play around with the strokes, which is just a minor adjustment. Apply it when you've got what you want. As I said, stay away from the watercolor stuff, but you can work with some of these default textures and create decent results. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.